Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Guys, I have a very interesting video. This is my second video today. The first video is basically explaining to you why you should consider becoming a Patreon. But in this video, I want to take a look at the overall market setup right now. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin dominance and how that relates to the altcoins and what to expect. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, and most importantly in this video we're going to be looking at the DeFi index and why I think DeFi coins are about to start moving and we may soon see DeFi season. Alright, so if you are excited and you're interested to see this video, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, let me know how you feel about my analysis and my view on this market. But overall, we can see that the overall market is green, except for some stable coins that we see in red, which means that people are actually selling their stable coins to get into more of these digital assets. So this is really exciting to see. Now let's take a look at the CoinGecko. We can see the entire market capitalization is up 6.8%, which is really nice. And you must be wondering, where is all this money going? Oh, it's going in meme coins. But overall, we can see Bitcoin is back above 60,000. We're going to take a look at that. Ethereum is back at 4,200. And yeah, we got Cardano's remaining at $2, and Cardano does this very similarly. There was a time Cardano was staying at $1 before it just plumped. So I am expecting some good things for Cardano. Solana has been literally tearing it up. It's close to being in the top 5. Potentially may flip Cardano soon. And if you're looking at the top gainers, we have SafeMoon. Please guys, please, if you follow my channel and you trust my calls, stay away from this. Please stay away from this. I highly do not recommend being in this spell token. These are, I don't know anything about spell, but I know that SafeMoon is definitely a scam. And I'm not going to be arguing. Mana, Decentraland, and Mana is moving up 26%. And I actually gave a signal in my Patreon group on this a couple days ago. And Dogecoin up 25%. The Doges are back. But we shall see what Dogecoin will do. And yeah, we got a couple coins here in the green. Now let's take a closer look at Bitcoin and see what is going on with the price of BTC right now. And I can tell you guys this, okay? The Bitcoin has just been mooning and it needed to cool off, which is why we got this dip. But what we're seeing here is on the MACD, on the 4-hour, we have a bullish cross. So we can potentially see a reversal from this drop. And you can see we're in a rising wedge. We had a fake out to the upside and started dipping. And we came back to this area of resistance, which is now turned to support. But most importantly, now we came from a rising wedge to a falling wedge. And falling wedges are like 60-something% of breaking to the upside. And what we can see is that we are now being rejected by the 50 moving average, which is fine. But you can see that this has been following this wedge very, very well. And if we do get rejected here again, we most likely going to come back down to 58,000 and retest this wedge. But if we do break to the upside, we could see BTC start to rally. And the next level I would be looking at for Bitcoin will be around 69,000, close to 70,000. I think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure at 70,000. So let's just call it 69,000 for now. All right. So this is for BTC with these moving averages. Now I do want to change these into bringing up my EMA ribbon that I love a lot. You can see that we are the 200 EMA is rising. This could also serve as a major strong resistance. We still have not tested it this entire way up, so I'm looking forward to that. What I'm also looking forward is if I do bring BTC on the 1 hour, I don't like the sight of this death cross on the 1 hour, but that's just very short term, and you can see how that played out. We have regained above the 50 on the 1 hour. Hopefully this serves again as a support to push us higher. Only time would tell. But yeah, not a lot going on for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is going sideways, and this is very important for altcoins to shine. I hold mostly altcoins. My patrons hold mostly altcoins because altcoins have more ROI potential than BTC, in my opinion. Right now, this is the Bitcoin dominance, okay? I want to bring this up to you guys because I have shared this with you guys in the past, and I've told you guys the resistance level that we were going to face here and how this was a rising wedge, and exactly played out exactly. We literally broke down, and the Bitcoin dominance is starting to correct. We have a bearish MACD cross on the daily for the Bitcoin dominance. The next level of support for the Bitcoin dominance is exactly at this 44, which I literally shared with my patrons a couple of days ago, and that's exactly where we're finding support. What I'm hoping to see is that this 200 moving average here becomes a strong resistance for this, because if you're holding altcoins, you want to pray for this to keep going lower, because if it continues to go lower, this is when your altcoins will gain dominance and start breaking out. And if I pull this up on the 4 hour, we can see this is this has been showing very strong support on the 200, but we did break under it. We haven't closed under it, but hopefully this 50 drag us down, and Bitcoin dominance continue to fall so that altcoins can rise. And now let's take a look at the other side of this coin, which is the others dominance. This is the dominance of all other cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin as in dominance, the altcoins. And what I love is it does seem that the altcoins are about to have a huge rally, because this weekend potentially, guys, is very exciting stuff. Because we just had a golden cross here on the 4 hour for altcoins, and we broke out of this downtrend that I had here in red. And you know why I've been calling a lot of these great coins properly. It's because I've been monitoring this major symmetrical triangle that the altcoin dominance have been in for years, since 2017. And then we broke out of it. This is where we had our mini altcoin rally. We came back down. Look how we retested this top previous all-time high, which is definitely what I like to see. And we definitely bounced from there. And now what we want to see is that the altcoin dominance entering a new high and entering price discovery. So waiting patiently for this one as well. I do want this video to be very quick, which is why I'm going to get onto Ethereum very quickly. Ethereum right now, to me, is one of the most bullish sites ever. Ethereum has so much fundamental and so much use case right now with this whole NFTs, guys, DeFi is looking amazing. And we can see this is playing out very well for Ethereum. This area, we broke this, made a higher high, which is very bullish right now. We are about to retest the previous all-time high, which we did, and instantly got rejected. But what we see here is that Ethereum actually started going sideways to gain strength to break this all-time high. Once Ethereum breaks this all-time high of 4,300, the next level that I see for Ethereum is about 5,200, and this will be really nice. But understand, when a coin like Ethereum enters price discovery, like it did right here, you can see how fast Ethereum can accelerate. So this is definitely something to keep in mind. I'm very bullish on Ethereum, and I'm very bullish for the future of Ethereum and the future of the crypto space in general. One thing that I really want mostly to share with you guys on this video is that I believe that DeFi coins are about to start mooning, and I want to share with you guys why I believe DeFi coins are about to start mooning. You can see here, this is the DeFi perpetual futures index on Binance. And what we're seeing here is this is a pool of DeFi coins that this is tracking. And we see here is that we are in this major symmetrical triangle as well. And we have some resistance right up here, which we failed to break. But look how when we came back down, we found support, and we're continuing to make a higher low on these supports. And it's very important when you break out, you come back and retest. And right now, this is what we're seeing, and we're being carried up by the 50 moving average. Very exciting to see. I want to see this bullish MACD cross happen, and DeFi coins, I think, are going to start running. If you don't believe me, you need to check into what these DeFi coins have been doing, like 1 inch. Look at 1 inch overnight. Okay, we've been accumulating 1 inch for a lot. I literally posted this signal, and 7 days later on my Discord patrons, 7 days later, this thing started mooning and literally went straight to its all-time high. We can see similar thing happen with AAVE. AAVE came back down very quickly though, but that's a buying opportunity in my opinion, because AAVE, I believe, will disrupt the banking system in general. But look how AAVE literally just took off, came back here to that resistance level, and then came back down. But what you need to look at in AAVE is very, very interesting to look at how AAVE came back down and got support by this 200, by the 50 MA. Very strong support here. So there could be a continuation pattern. AAVE could literally take off again. But of course, people are looking to take profit and very quickly. But some of these coins are very long-term hold for me. I love AAVE. I've been buying AAVE since $20. And I'm holding AAVE. I'm definitely holding AAVE to at least 2K. AAVE is such a strong project, such strong fundamentals, and they're ahead of the game. They even have like KYC for institutions to get involved. So this shows you that there's a lot of, it's very important to watch how projects evolve with time and what they do to place themselves in a leading way. So I'm very excited for AAVE. We can see that a lot of DeFi coins have been moving. One that I'm extremely waiting for it to move is Injective protocol. This looks very similar to 1 inch to me. And we can see what happened with 1 inch could happen with Injective. What we have here is a golden cross right here in the 4 hour. We have not had this transfer def cross yet. So honestly, this looks like it's ready to just blow out. I'm really excited for Injective. This is another great DeFi project. It is focused on derivatives. And yeah, very similar to very, very, very similar to synthetics, SNX, but I do think that Injective may have more upside just because it has a much lower market cap. But yeah, this is all I have for you guys today. I wanted to share these with you. I think the coin that I want to point out that I think is a good place to start accumulating. This is my financial advice, but I will be looking to getting a position into INJ, Injective protocol. It has major investors backing it, and this thing I think can roll very, very nicely. All right, so this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some value in it. If you did, you know what to do. Please click the like button, subscribe, drop a comment below, let me know how you feel. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe, and most importantly, future proof.